In this ukulele video, we're doing the blues, and this happens to be one of my favorite songs of all time. This one is Red House by Jimi Hendrix. All right, so that was just a little bit of the end of it. How killer was that backing track? By the way, you can get that backing track. I'll tell you just how to do that in just a second. So anyway, welcome to Ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also turn on that bell notification. That way you get updates on all the tutorials, reviews, not only on ukulele, but guitarlele and baritone as well. And if you're on Instagram, you can find me over there at Ukelikethepros. So this is part of our hashtag Fun for Pros. These are our weekly challenges, and each week we're doing a different theme, and this is Blues Week, right? And so this one's gonna be a blues in the G, blues in G. And this is gonna be an open position blues. You wanna really get this down because the next one is exactly the same, well, almost the same, except for you're gonna be in a closed position, all right? So really get this one down. By the way, if you want the sheet music, backing tracks, chords, all that, lyrics and stuff like that, you can get all of that at patreon.com/ukelikethepros. All right, so let's just dive into this. First measure is gonna be this. I'm gonna use all downstrokes with my thumb. I do have a low G here, and I'm standard tuning, which is G, C, E, and A. And I'm just gonna have my second finger here on the third string, second fret. I'm just gonna do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And, all right, that's the first measure. And you really wanna get this shuffle. This is kind of like a slow shuffle feel. I'm not gonna get into how you get that shuffle. You just gotta copy what I'm doing. All right, let's do it one more time. Ready, and. Then in measure 2, we're going to do a quick change. And a quick change means that in measure 2, you go to the 4 chord, which in this case is C, G, A, B, C. And it's going to be right here. So the C is just open, 4 and 3. You're just going to hit that. And then second finger is going to go on the 4th string, second fret. 2 measures, or just 1 measure of that, and then back to the G chord for 2 measures. Now back to the C chord for 2 measures. This is measure 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3. Now back to G. One more time. Now here's the last 4 bars. Check this out. This is the D chord. I'll show you this in a second. C, G, and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. All right, so that's one time through. 12-bar blues is what it is. That's called a chorus. Different than your pop song chorus, but when you go through the 12-bar blues, that's called a chorus. All right, so that end there was just a D, and I'm just barring strings 4 and 3 at the second fret, hitting it twice, and then my third finger's going on the 4th string, 4th fret, and then back off. 1 measure there, and then back to the C chord, to the G chord, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and then that little last measure is just on the D chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you're gonna repeat it all again, and the end's gonna change just a little bit, okay? I'm not gonna play the whole thing now because we're gonna do that just in a second with the backing track and the singing. But the last 4 bars is where it changes on the second time. Let me play it. So it's gonna go D, 1, 2, now check this out, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. All right, so that second time, you're gonna do the D chord 1 time, and then you're gonna just stop on the C chord 1 time. You're just gonna do a hit on beat 1 and stop the sound. Use your hand, stop the sound. You're gonna let that whole measure rest, go out, just rest, silence, and then you got this single note. can write on a G chord. All right. So again, check out the tab. You can do all that stuff right here on the screen. If you want the sheet music where you can look at it a little better, again, that's at patreon.com/ukelikethepros. Shall we do this? Let's do this. I'm excited to sing this one with you. Let's go ahead. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. There's a red house over yonder. That's where my baby stays. Lord, there's a red house over yonder. That's where my baby stays. I haven't been home to see my baby in 99 and 1/2 days. Wait a minute, something's wrong here. My key won't unlock this door. Wait a minute, something's wrong here. My key won't unlock this door. Yeah, yeah. I've got a bad, bad feeling. My baby don't live here no more. All right, so the blues, it's about feeling. Okay, so I might have thrown in a few little things here and there. You can just look at the video and try to capture them, but just do it simple. Do it simple, and then you can later on add just those little embellishments that I do. But that's what the blues is about. Taking what's right here and letting it out to the world. So anyway, I can't wait to see your videos. Make sure to hashtag #FunForPros. Again, this is Red House. This is part of our Blues Challenge. I can't wait to see your video. Thank you for being here. Don't forget you can get the sheet music, the backing track over at patreon.com/ukelikethepros. And we'll see you next time.